I started snowboarding 12 years ago, yet this was my first time heading out west. Denver, Colorado. The air is colder, it's hard to breathe, yet you feel like you're in heaven. After we finish riding for the day, the nightlife in Colorado begins. Meeting cool new people, checking out local bars, and just relaxing. Some nights we're up to 3 a.m. knowing we're going to be riding the next morning.
Let me finish my piece of pizza.
You can eat the pizza while jumping on the bed.
No. I should jump on the bed. Oh yeah, this pizza's good. Sound asleep. Just give it a. Man, just moving all over the place. Oh man. You still asleep? And he's still asleep.
Whenever you're riding out here, all you see when you look around is the beautiful mountains, something you never get to see back home. I wish I could say everything always went smoothly. Never crashed, never got hurt, but that's all part of progression and the only way to learn.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Come on, baby, light my fire. That's good. That's good. Robbie, yeah. Let's kick ass. That's good. That's good. Come on, baby, light my fire. That's good. That's good.
Back home in southern Indiana, slopes out here are 99% man-made snow, with the occasional natural dusting. I went to check out Ski Starlight over the summer, a ski resort 15 minutes from my house in Clarksville that closed 30 years ago. Mild winters caused this place to close, along with Ski Butler in Kentucky and Ski World outside of Bloomington, Indiana. As I head to the remaining ski resorts in Indiana, Perfect North and Paoli Peaks, I hope they can survive the mild winters because they are the only place I get to ride near home.
I feel alone, feel at home, feel like nothing is true.
I know the years are against me, but as I get older, I won't be able to snowboard and push myself as hard as I used to. But for now, I'll just take it one season at a time and ride as long as I can.